Mel, bring this. You, Abena, coffee. Everybody will bring everything, put it together, boil it. How that food a jump? Mom will say, there is corn suswa, turkey berry sauce. I am on the farm today. Yes. Spicy fans, we have different types of farm foods. This is just one of them. And this is turkey berry with spinach stew in a earthenware bowl with cassava. I am going straight away to start. I am cooking my turkey berries and my spinach. And this is turkey berries. They are called suswa. They are called elubi pompo. I'm going to cook it with some pepper. I don't want to use water on this cookie and pour the water away, so I just want to pour a little bit of water. See, just small water. This is my spinach. This is the type of spinach I'm using today. So when it's about to boil, I add it to it to simmer. Right, now that it's starting to boil, I am adding my peppers, scotch bonnets, and then papushito. I don't want to overcook the spinach at all, so I sometimes let the turkey berries start boiling before I add. That's if I want to add spinach. If I have a lot of turkey berries, I don't add anything. I just use only turkey berries. Now I am covering this and allowing it to cook and soften. As I wait for my turkey berries and spinach to cook, I want to quickly cut some onions into my earthenware pot, and then I want to grind it, because I'm going to grind it with this. You can grind it smooth or rough. I want it. I don't like to overcook my spinach. I am not grinding the red scotch bonnet. I'll just leave it inside the sauce so that whoever wants extra heat can crush it into. But I'm grinding everything together, starting with the akpotoyawe. Turkey berries. It's also called akpotoyawe. The turkey berries are halfly done, and I'm adding the spinach. I'm loving the smell already. Okay, before we finish grinding this, I want to put some water on, peel my cassava and my plantains. When I say I'm making farm food, farm foods are just foods we make on the farm, and there's no perfection in that. When you are on the farm, everything is on the farm. You have pepper plants on the farm, you have tomatoes on the farm, even there's a river that has fish. The only thing that when we are going into the farm we take along is maybe salt. When a man and the wife and children work so hard on the farm, there's no time perfecting anything. Rough food. Farm foods are so yummy. They just put everything together. Anything you get on the farm, like this I'm making now, it could be cocoa yam, it could be plantain, it could be yam, all of them mixed together, and then it's ready. And the sauce, this is how we make it. Heat some palm oil with some saltfish, some aromatic saltfish, pour it on it. How that food a jump? As I'm saying now, I'm salivating. We can use this for fufu and other things as well, but if you just having it as just like this, you scrape it. They are washed nicely. Now, salt is sprinkled on this if you like, but instead of salt, I am using saltfish. Covering it up to boil till it softens. I am transferring this to the hob behind me. As our plantains and our cassava are boiling, I want to start dry roasting some anchovies. And all these are done under a tree with lots of fresh air. It's done. I'm taking it off the hob now. I'm going to wash it nicely and bringing it here into the sauce. Abobai, abobi, anchovies, Keta schoolboys. Yeah, it's ready. Now, the next thing I'm doing is just cutting my tomatoes. Cook toast, and that also, and the momonis, and this fish. Get it on! Our food cooking behind us is done now, so I'm going to strain the water out. If it is done, you need to remove the water from it, otherwise it will keep on soaking the water. Now, when you cook green plantain, you have to remove it into water so that it wouldn't go brittle. Green plantain, lovely. And then cover up the cassava nicely. Oh yes, that is the smell of home. The momoni is roasting as well. I'm going to chichi it inside the sauce. You know chichi? Grind in style. And this is the momoni. This momoni is a VIP. If this momoni is in food, we all bow. And then the abobi. This crispily roasted abobi. Anchovies. You can choose to crush them like that. This fish beautifully toasted and smelling so nice. Now this is my palm oil. So I'm using all. Generous with my palm oil. It is farm food. When I get my palm oil here, I treat it nicely so that it will smell nice. I will deodorize it. What I normally use to deodorize my palm oil is a bit of saltfish and onion. So right now I'm just going to use my toasted onion. That takes out any bad odor. We have already roasted our fish, so getting them ready, and the tomatoes, and a little bit of season. See, putting them back in. Now flaking these beauties just like that. Don't break them into pieces. Alright, at this level, your hob is off. My salt is this. Gobi. Okay, this is alright now. Everything here is going in here. Hey. You see how the tomatoes are looking? That's exactly how I wanted it to be inviting. If you have anything to garnish it with, the stew is already a garnish on its own. Don't you see that? Spicy fans, farm food is ready in Ayiwa Leka.